Hey y'all, and welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Ryan Michelle. Today's video is an extreme all-day cleaning motivational video. So in this video, I'll be giving you guys a ton of cleaning motivation to start your week or day or evening or night. I'll be cleaning up all of the areas in my home that are really messy and needed some tidying up. And of course, I'll be going in cleaning my nightstands with the Clean Republic. Well, not my nightstands, but I'll be cleaning my entire bedroom with this all-purpose cleaner. And it is always going to be in my description box if you guys wanted to check out that cleaner. And I will be speeding up these clips because this part of the video was I don't know, it was kind of blurry. I'm not really sure why, but it does get better. So I hope you continue to stick around and watch the entire video. And don't forget to like this video because liking my videos help out my channel so much. And y'all, make sure that notification bell is set to all so you guys don't miss out on any new content. You will be notified as soon as I upload. So make sure that bell is set to all. And if you are still thinking about subscribing to my channel, I really hope my content is good enough for you so you can hit that subscribe button because I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. And I usually have a ton of laundry motivation for you guys, but it will not be in this video, but it will be in my next video. So I hope you guys are ready, but this video is jam-packed with a ton of cleaning motivation. I'm going to try my hardest not to talk as much because I always talk so much. So I'm just going to let the music play and talk as needed. But I am starting in my bedroom and I have to clean my bathroom and the hallway areas and the boys' room. As you can see here, the hallway is super junky and I have to declutter all of that mess for you guys. So I will stop talking and let you guys enjoy this video.
Sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So some type of way, I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right, things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight.
So now moving on to my bathroom. If you are a returning subscriber, you already know how my bathroom is. My countertops are always filled with my stuff and my husband's stuff is like very minimal. He doesn't have much. So I will take the blame for this. This is all my fault. I'm working on it, but I'm going to get all of this cleaned in this bathroom. Let's clean. So my bathroom is so small and it's really hard to get really good angles in here, but I'm not sure if you guys want good angles at the toilet, but I like to try new angles and they was not working for me this video.
To figure out what I want, 'cause baby right now I don't know, feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad but we both know, maybe it's time that I let you go.
So now moving on to the hallway area. This is like the dump zone, and I'm just opening up the blinds to let some light in because this area is pretty dark. But I just grab everything from downstairs, y'all, and if I am too tired to put it away, I will dump it right here. And some of the bins right here are some stuff that needs to go to the Goodwill, so we actually dropped that off a couple days ago, but I took it all downstairs.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day.
The boys know I was coming in here, so they actually picked up majority of the stuff that was on the floor. Landon, I don't know what he had going on with ripping up the paper. He was actually going back and forth in the bathroom and filling the paper up with lotion. But yeah, I made him throw all that away, and then I vacuumed up what was left.
On the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day.
Boys made their own beds. Aren't they so lovely? I let them do it themselves. I didn't touch it. I left it as is. And I needed to come over here and declutter this dresser and wipe it down because it was crazy. And now moving back to the hallway, and you guys will see this area towards the back it's crazy back there. I have all of my Christmas stuff everywhere, and my oldest, she's actually cleaning her room at this time too, so you'll see her popping in and out. And Lauren she was just so thirsty this day. Why, I don't know, but you're going to see her bringing her cup back to me multiple times.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep.
And this area was originally the homeschool area, but it did not work out. So unfortunately, all of the kids are downstairs at my kitchen table. Well, dining room table, but we just have to go with the flow. And I thought the kids were going to go back to school. We still haven't heard anything yet. So yeah, we're just going to have to make it work at the kitchen table.
I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more. We don't know. No words no more. We don't know. No words no more. We don't know. No words no more. No, no. We don't know. No words no more. We don't know. No words no more. We don't know. No words no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. We don't know. No words no more. We don't know. No words no more. We don't know. No words no more, no, no. We don't know. No words no more. We don't know. No words no more. We don't know. No words no more, no, no. Yeah.
And I know you guys see the room to the right of the video. That is the guest room. It's actually going to be my mom cave slash office area. Soon, I might do a makeover or some type of room transformation. Not really sure if we are going to do that because we are supposed to be leaving next year sometime. This will be our last stretch in Virginia. But this video is almost done, and if you are still watching, thank you so much. I appreciate your love and your support for my channel. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And also, do you guys think I should do a part 2 to this video? Because I still didn't clean all of the rooms up here. I know y'all seen that guest room and it was crazy. And then my home decor closet is even crazier. And then we have another storage closet that was near the boys' room, which is, it's crazy in there too. So let me know, should I do a part 2 to this video? I hope you are having an amazing day, and I really hope my video gave you all of the cleaning motivation that you needed. And even if you wasn't cleaning with me, I still hope that this video gave you some type of inspiration and motivation to tackle those areas of your home. And I will stop talking, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.